Yo, what's up, guys? I am bummed out. This is an update on the brass knuckles pen. I did a review on this like a little bit ago. It got like 12,000 views. A little bit of a downside to it. It broke. So when I press this button, it still glows red and everything. But check this out. When I put a cartridge into it, all of a sudden, it stops turning red solidly and it just starts blinking. Look. Blink, blink, blink. It's a full charge, guys. Like, I just charged this for like 5 hours. Like, it doesn't fucking work. So yeah, does anybody have any comments, suggestions, anything? Because that pen was awesome until it just stopped working. Yeah, if y'all could check out the rest of my channel and like this video and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it's been a slow journey. So if y'all could help me out, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll get with you guys next video. Peace.